Hello, I'm so excited to explore our first type of poetry today in our new poetry writing unit. And the first type of poetry that we're going to be exploring is called similes. Now, we have learned about similes before, and we know that similes are a type of figurative language that use like or as. So he is as fast as a cheetah. You're comparing the boy's speed to a cheetah by using the word as. But you can also use the word like. He was as hungry. Ooh, this is another as one. He was as hungry as a bear, or he was quick like a kangaroo. I just made that up. I don't know that kangaroos are very fast children, but that's just an example. So I'm going to go ahead and read a piece of poetry that uses similes inside of it, and then you are going to be trying some on your own in the next couple slides. So this poem is titled Fall. Fall is cold air rushing on your cheeks in the morning. Fall is leaves changing to red, yellow, orange, and gold. Fall is as windy as a tornado. There's the as. Fall is as grumpy as an old man. There's another as. Fall is the smell of pumpkins and apple cider. Fall is like getting exactly what you want for Christmas. So you can see that the author, Mrs. Cruz, used as and like in her poetry, which made it a piece of simile poetry. So I'm going to go ahead and have you look at the next slide, and it says, a simile compares two unlike things using like or as. A simile compares things that would not usually be compared. So I put in two pieces of poetry here, one by a student named Vanessa and one by a student named Daniel. And Vanessa says, a bear is as hungry as a sunflower on a rainy day. A tiger is as fast as a waterfall streaming down. And then it's going to be your turn. So you're going to think of a subject. You're going to think of 4 different adjectives to describe your subject. And then what else could be described in this way? And then your fourth thing is, now you're going to write a few statements about using different describing words and comparing things in different ways. Try using like or as in different ways too. And then you're going to be putting together a simile self-portrait. And then on the last slide, you are going to be writing your own piece of simile. You could either take what you did on slide 2 and rewrite that so that it's nice and neat, or you can come up with your own. All right, so I can't wait to see your simile pieces today and writing, and we get to explore another type of poetry tomorrow. Happy writing.